Now we will discuss the question answers of the metal and non-metal chapter. Let's start with the first one. Which of the following can be beaten into thin sheets? Out of zinc, phosphorus, sulfur, oxygen, which one is the right option? Zinc. Why zinc? Zinc is a metal and rest of these are the non-metals. They will brittle, वो break हो जाएंगे. Second question, which of the following statement is correct? Yes, Vibhav. 4 options given hai. All metals are ductile. All metals are ductile? Yes. No. Some are the malleable, na? Some can be beaten into thin sheets. Ductile, but is the definition of ductile. When the metals are beaten and converted into thin sheets, that is ductile. So all metals are not ductile. This statement is not correct. Second है, all non-metals are ductile. No, they are brittle. Third, generally metals are ductile. Yes. Okay, some of the metals are ductile. Then fill in the blanks. Phosphorus is a very dash non-metal. Yes, very reactive non-metal. Phosphorus is a very reactive non-metal. So, but 1 minute. Yes, Kashish, but we will do if phosphorus is very reactive non-metal. Kashish, unmute yourself. But we will do. How we can preserve it? Kashish, unmute yourself. हाँ जी, बोलो. We stored in. बोलो. We stored the phosphorus in water. Kerosene में we will store the metals, sodium and potassium. Next है blank. Metals are dash conductor of heat and dash. Good conductor of heat and electricity. Iron is dash reactive than copper. Iron is more reactive than copper. Then metals react with acids to produce hydrogen gas. Metals react with an acids to produce. Can you give me one example? No doubt we are discussing blanks only, but can you give example? Any metal, sodium plus HCl, but it will be formed NaCl plus, and the arrow shows that this is a gas. True, false. Generally, non-metals react with acid. False. Non-metals do not react with acid. Sodium is a very reactive metal. True. Copper displays zinc. Coal can be drawn in false. Pehla false, second true, third and fourth again false. Then some properties are listed below. Distinguish between metal and non-metal on the basis of these property. So you will make a column like same like as it is given in the book. Parameter, then differences on the basis of the parameter. कौन-कौन से पूछे हैं? Appearance. Yes, who will explain appearance? हाँ जी. Explain with point. बोलो अर्जुन. That is only the point. Appearance means how they are look. Okay, so what we will write? Metals are lustrous and non-metals are non-lustrous. ठीक है जी. Second, hardness. बोलो wait. हाँ जी श्री. ठीक है. Metals are hard except sodium and potassium. They can cut with a knife. And non-metals are not hard. These are soft. Except diamond. Malleability. Who will explain malleability? Difference. Metals are malleable and non-metals are non-malleable. Yeah, brittle. Ductility. Metals are ductile. Non-metals are. Heat conduction. Good conductor of heat. Very good, Agam. Good conductor of heat, and that are the poor conductor. Conduction of electricity, same, good. Very nice. Aluminium foils है मेरे पास. Aluminium foils give reason. Aluminium foils are used to wrap food item. बोलो. Okay. हाँ जी. 2 points हम लिखेंगे as they said. 1 point that metals aluminium is a malleable. ठीक है. First point, why we are using the aluminium as the food like wrap for the food. So the reason is, number 1 reason, this is the malleable. पहले malleable that can be drawn into the sheets, and second point we will write down, it will not react with the food items. लिख सकते हैं. Food will remain hot. We can write. हाँ जी. पहला aluminium is a क्या कहते हैं? Aluminium is a malleable that can be drawn into thin sheets. Second, it will not react with the food items. And thirdly, we can write the food remains hot because it will not escape the heat from the, it will not allow, aluminium will not allow the heat to escape. First point we can write aluminium is a malleable. Second we can write malleable that can be drawn into thin sheets. Second point we can write food will not react with the aluminium. Okay. Third we can write aluminium will not allow the heat to escape. मतलब अंदर की गर्मी को बाहर नहीं जाने देगा. It will not allow the heat to escape. That's why we are using to make the chapati wrap for this aluminium. ठीक है, of aluminium. Second है immersion rods for heating liquids are made up of metallic substance. Wait. हाँ जी बोलो. राइट. पहला ये लिखो as metals are. हाँ जी अदर पॉइंट बोलो. Okay. Why we can add these are made up of the metals and metals are the good conductor. We can write in the same मतलब we can add the line, add the sentence as he is saying. We can write down immersion rods are made up of metals. Then after that we will write down metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. A K point. Another point we can also write it gets heated up soon when current passes. Write down this sentence also. It gets heated up soon as current passes. जैसे metals में से current pass करते हैं, it will immediately heat हो जाता है. Next है copper cannot displace zinc from its salt solution. हाँ जी स्वयं. Copper is less reactive because no one will write. The answer will not start from the because. If you want to write down the answer, so you can write as zinc is, not from the because. Is it clear? When you will write down the answer, don't start with the because. You can start as. Okay? As zinc is more reactive than copper. Next question. Sodium and potassium are answer do. Sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene. They do not okay, but the sentence is not appropriate. Yes. Here because
as sodium and potassium are highly reactive at the reaction of oxygen, as soon as the reaction of oxygen they start to work.
Yes, we can write down these 3 words or 3 sentences. We can write 3 sentences. We will start as sodium and potassium. These are highly reactive metals and they react vigorously with the oxygen to catch fire. Okay, we can write like this also. We can write like this also. It is a highly reactive metal, so it is stored in a kerosene to cut off the air supply. Clear? But we will write. We can write down in any form. अच्छा मैंने बोला we can write कि as sodium and potassium are highly reactive metal, they react vigorously with the air and form या catch fire. Okay, that's why it is stored in the kerosene. We can write like this also. We can write like this also. As sodium and potassium are highly reactive metal, it catches fire when it comes in contact with the oxygen. So it is stored in the kerosene to cut off the air supply. Sentence में frame कर लेंगे. No problem. Question clear? ठीक है? To cut off the air supply so that it will not catch fire. Next question is, can you store the lemon pickle in an aluminium utensil? Yes, Prabjot.
We can store, they will react with one another and make the poison.
Why it will react? What is present in the pickle? कैसे? Salt तो neutral है. We are talking about the aluminium utensil. What is aluminium? Aluminium is what? Metal, है ना? तो metal की reaction with what? Acid. Yes, Manisha. Lemon. It will release the citric acid. ठीक है? Pickle cannot be stored in the lemon. Pickle cannot be stored in the aluminium because as lemon contain acid, lemon pickle contain acid. It react with the aluminium and produce the gas. ठीक है जी? Produce salt and hydrogen gas. That's why we are not supposed to store the lemon pickle. समझ आया करण? We will not store lemon pickle in the utensil aluminium because lemon is having an acid, and when acid react with the metal, अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं, when acid react with the metal, it will produce salt and hydrogen. So we will not store aluminium pickle in aluminium utensil. Questions clear है? Next is, what happens when dilute sulfuric acid is poured on a copper plate? Anji, can anyone tell what happened when no reaction? Very nice, because hydrogen, that is the more reactive as compared to copper, so it will not show the reaction with the. ठीक है? अगर हम ले रहे हैं, देखो कैलोरी यहाँ आ रहा है, right? So copper is less reactive than hydrogen. So when we will react with the dilute sulfuric acid, it will not show the reaction because copper is less reactive than hydrogen. Is it clear? No hydrogen gas will evolve. ठीक है? No reaction with the dilute, but when we will use the concentrated, then hydrogen gas will release. क्वेश्चन क्या है? क्वेश्चन है what happened dilute sulfuric, हाँ तो we will write down no reaction. ठीक है जी? Second है iron nail are placed in a copper sulfate solution. What will happen when iron nails are placed in a copper sulfate solution? There is iron here, copper is here. Which one is more reactive? So what will be the reaction? Plus, what is the color of copper sulfate? And what is the color of? Very nice. That activity we will show to you. ठीक है? हाँ तो words में लिख दो. Reaction भी साथ में लिखनी है and you will write down the reason also. Write word equation का. Word equation मतलब equation लिखो. Saloni took a piece of burning charcoal and collected the gas evolved in a test tube. How will she find the nature of the gas? Everyone knows. क्या लिया उसने? Charcoal. Charcoal is what? Metal or a non-metal? When non-metal react with the oxygen, यानी कि carbon, but it will form CO2. How we will check the nature? What we will do? Huh? Add water. First of all, add water. Then what it will be formed? H2CO 3. That is carbonic acid. When we will put the litmus paper, we will observe blue litmus convert into red. That shows that it is acidic in nature. Now how you will write down? हम लिखेंगे add few drops of water in a test tube. Cover the test tube and shake well. Test the solution with the blue litmus. It will changes into red. This shows that it is acidic. कोई same line you will write down. One day, Rita went to a jeweler shop with her mother. Her mother gave an old gold jewelry to the goldsmith to polish. Next day, when they brought the jewelry back, they found that there was a slight loss in the weight. Can you suggest a reason for it? Write down the reason for this. When we used to take the jewelry to the goldsmith, they washed it. And they have a special material for washing our jewelry. That is called the aqua regia. You can write down, it is dipped into a liquid called, aqua regia. It is a liquid, it is to be dipped into a liquid called aqua regia. Ab now what is aqua regia? Wo likh lo. It is a freshly prepared mixture of concentrated HCl and concentrated HNO3. That is hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. ठीक है, in the ratio of three is to 1. I am writing here concentrated HCl ratio concentrated nitric acid. It is in the ratio of 3 is to 1. ये इस रेशियो में एक्वा रिजिया होता है. एक्वा रिजिया जो है, this is a freshly prepared mixture of these two things, concentrated hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid. और जब हम इसको prepare करते हैं, the ratio we will take 3 parts of hydrochloric and 1 part of the nitric acid. And this aqua regia, it can dissolve all metals. ठीक है, when we want to dump the car or dissolve करना metal, it can dissolve metal. आगे रीजन लिख दो, the outer layer of the gold dissolve and shining appearance occur. So this is the reason कि वहां पे loss of weight होता है. बीच में क्वेश्चंस कौन से छोड़े थे हमने? Match the column. Gold, jewelry, iron, machinery, aluminium, wrapping food, carbon, fuel, copper, mercury. Is it clear? ये clear हो गया? This is the new thing you had learned. You have to learn this thing. Aqua regia. This is the freshly prepared mixture of the concentrated HCl and concentrated nitric acid in the ratio of 3 is to 1. Okay. When we will dip the jewelry in it, the upper layer will be removed and the shiny appearance of the metal will come. That's why the reduction. After that, the goldsmith, what they used to do, they sieve it. They sieve the liquid, and from that liquid, the sum of the gold metal will be there. Is it clear? Whenever you will go again and again, if we will go again and again to clean our jewelry, all after that washing jewelry, the loss weight of the jewelry will be less. ठीक है? Any doubt? अब आपने क्वेश्चन कौन से लिखने हैं कॉपी में? You have to write down 5th question, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. 5, 6, हाँ जी, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. 6 questions you have to write down in the fair note. न्यू बेटर है क्योंकि टर्म खत्म है.
Ma'am, yes.
ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर? ओके है.